What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2, episode 2 of the 150k challenge account. So in my last video, I promised to be as transparent as possible, and I'm still going to be doing that, not only for your viewing, but also because, again, I want to document my progress and my trading journey. So buckle your seatbelts because today was a doozy. Another thing I wanted to announce before we get into the video is that I was having technical issues, as I mentioned in my last video, and it's because of the multiple systems that I'm running. So because I have everything running and it makes my computer slow, my entries and my exits for my trade are actually lagging, thus making me either miss my stop loss or miss my take profit. And it happened this morning for a couple of my trades. I was able to live record those, but moving forward, I am going to have to cut out the live recordings of my trades and have to just do recaps after the fact, just because of this reason. But once I do upgrade my system, I will definitely be doing live trade recordings again. But without further ado, let's just jump right in. All right. Good morning, you guys. So it is 6:31. Market just opened, and dang, we had a nice downward trend here. Looks like we're breaking through it. So I'm just gonna set up really quick. We'll get a quick long here. Hopefully it goes through. It's a little bit laggy, as you guys can tell. So I'm not gonna move my stop losses this time. It's all good. First trade. It's a bit laggy, but I'm not mad at it. And there it goes. It runs up right after. So this morning, we were just coming out of a downward trend channel from the overnight session, and we started to consolidate around the 405 to 410 area before we finally bounced out to about 450, 460. So I was able to play a few scalp trades between the range, as you can see here. I put circles to indicate when we were having reversals, so taking a long, taking a short, long, short, etc. We were playing around with the AMA 21 for the good chunk of that morning here until we finally broke out of that resistance of 460. So this is when I decided and felt very confident to size up my positions, and I was not waiting for confirmation. So that led me to ultimately blowing my first 150k challenge account. It was a rookie mistake, it was a silly mistake, and it's a mistake I won't be doing anymore. So now you're probably wondering what's going to happen to this challenge. Well, Apex is having a really good deal right now. It's 80% off for the first month and then lifetime after that. So I went ahead and snagged a new 150 account. So I'll be able to continue this challenge and pass it, because the goal is to, like I said in the beginning, just document my progress, see what I'm doing right and wrong, and be as transparent as possible. So this is the new 150k challenge account, round 2, I guess you can say. And I use, as usual, my 2000 tick chart and my 5-minute chart, because I am a scalp trader. So on the left, you'll see the 2000 tick chart, and I went ahead and bolded a rectangle around the trades that I took. And I only took 3 trades to bring in a whopping $1,609. So how I did that was, if you refer to this blue line right here, we were in an upward trend, and I'll show you the 5-minute chart after to point out where we were. But we were in upward trend, and I was following as we started to break it. So as we broke below the upward trend, we also got confirmation to hold below the 21 EMA here. And now I was waiting for my third confirmation for struggle below the support zone before I wanted to get into a confident trade. So then after we broke below that support line right here at about 11,499 or so, that's when I was like, okay, we got 3 confirmations, and we have actually a lot of order flow and sellers listed on the DOM. So with that being said, I got into a short here, and momentum just kept pulling and pulling. So then I got into another 2 trades, as you can see right here. Now looking at the 5-minute chart, when I pull it over, that zone is around 815. Yeah, right here, 815. And same thing, I was waiting for that confirmation below the support line that I had drawn up the night before. And right here we have it breaking below, and it held below as well. Obviously I waited for this long up wick right here,
to break below it and hold below it. It's exactly what it did, and that's when I trailed into this play. And we did touch the MA. We got a nice reversal, as you can see, but we were done for the day. So those are the 3 trades I took, and I felt very confident in this execution and my strategy. I was very patient, and especially waiting for the confirmations. I think that's the most important thing. As you guys saw in my day 1 video, I had notes to follow those things, and unfortunately this morning I didn't follow my plan to the very T, which I should have. So it is what it is.
So that is a wrap for the challenge of day 2. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video and being as brutally honest as possible with my trading today. I learned my lesson, blowing my account and having to start over again, especially after a nice, profitable day yesterday. But nonetheless, I'm looking forward to my future opportunities. Today is Friday, before Martin Luther King Jr.'s holiday on Monday. So we are closed up on Monday, so I won't have any video to post. So then look forward to Tuesday's trading session of episode 3. Until then, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys soon.